Hi everyone, for all you Escort lovers out there, this car has just arrived here at Grays at Pinkenbar. It's a Mk1 Escort RS2000 Tribute. Now it's got a Zetec engine in it, 5-speed gearbox, all the brakes have been upgraded, the proper RS dash, and it is a true classic, and it's got the steel forest flares on it. Now these are a super cool car. When the original ones first came out way back in the early 70s, they won just about every rally championship in the world. They were all conquering, and they just sound great when we're up in the rev range singing around a circuit or through a forest or whatever. This car has had a full rotisserie restoration. The gentleman that owns it is a real Ford nut. He's got a couple of Escorts. He's only selling this one just because of space. He needs a bit of room at his house. And it's just great. It's done 200 or 300 miles since he's built it. It'd make an ideal track car, an ideal target car, or just a great car to drive around on the weekends and have a bit of fun in. But it comes up this week. It is absolutely stunning. Zero spend on the car, has been fully registered and roadworthy, and this would make a great addition to any Ford lovers collection at home. So give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Grays Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Grays on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.